Most tire shops are busy all day, cars coming in, jobs getting done, but profits still feel tight. Not because there's no work, but because money is quietly slipping through every single job. And here's the truth. The difference between an average shop and a highly profitable one often comes down to just £20. Stick with this, because by the end of this episode, you'll know exactly how to add £20 extra profit to almost every customer without being pushy, without overcharging, and without needing more traffic. This matters more than most shop owners realize. Because it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter with the customers already walking through your door. The shops that understand this don't just stay busy, they grow. Let's break it down simply. The £20 rule is this. Every customer is an opportunity to add at least £20 extra profit. Not by forcing anything, but by offering what actually helps them. Now, think about this. If you handle around 20 customers a day, that's £400 extra daily. Over a month, that's easily £10,000 or more. And here's the crazy part, most of that money is already sitting in your shop. It's just not being captured. This is where most people mess up. They focus only on selling tires, but the real profit is in the extras. Let's start with the easiest win. Valves and balancing. Almost every tire job should include this, but many shops either skip it or don't explain it properly. A simple line like, "We'll replace the valve as well, it helps prevent slow leaks," instantly adds value. You're not selling, you're protecting the customer. That's an easy £5 to £10 added right there. Now here's something no one talks about. Enough wheel alignment. This is one of the biggest missed opportunities in tire shops. If tires are wearing unevenly or the steering feels slightly off, alignment isn't optional, it's necessary. But if you just ask, "Do you want alignment?" most customers will say no. Instead, say this. Your tires will wear out faster without alignment. I'd recommend sorting it today. See the difference? You're guiding, not asking. That one shift can add serious profit to your day. Let me ask you something. How often does your team actually explain why something matters instead of just listing it? Because that's where the real money is. Next, mid-range tire upgrades. Most shops default to the cheapest option. Big mistake. When you offer good, better, best, something interesting happens. Customers naturally move up. Even an extra £5 or £10 per tire adds up fast across multiple jobs. This is where many shops hold themselves back. They assume customers only want cheap. But in reality, customers want value, they just need to understand it. Don't skip this part, puncture repairs. Not every customer needs new tires. Offering safe, honest repairs builds trust. And trust brings repeat business. So yes, you make money today, but more importantly, you create a loyal customer who comes back again and again. And here's the real game changer. Mindset. It's not about what you sell, it's how you communicate. Most shops wait for customers to ask. That's the mistake. Customers don't know what they need. That's your role. If you don't offer it, they won't buy it. Simple as that. Let's make this practical. Start by training your staff to recommend at least one extra service per job. Just one. That alone can transform your numbers. Use a simple checklist at the counter valves. Balancing, alignment, upgrade options. Make it part of the process, not an afterthought. And track your average job value every week. Because what gets measured improves. Here's something to think about. Are you running a busy shop or a profitable one? Because they're not the same. Quick recap. Every customer is worth more than just the tire sale. Valves and balancing add quick wins. Alignment is a major missed opportunity. Upgrades increase margin without extra effort. Repairs build long-term trust. And communication is everything. You don't need more customers to grow your business. You just need to do more with the ones you already have. So next time a car rolls in, ask yourself, did we leave £20 on the table? If this shifted how you think about your shop, drop a comment with £20 below. And if you want more straight, practical strategies like this, make sure you're subscribed. If you run a tire shop, garage, or mobile tyre fitting van, and you're fed up calling around for stock or losing jobs because tyres aren't available. TyreRoom is a trade-only tyre wholesaler built to make your life easier. Check availability instantly on our website or the TyreRoom app with budget, mid-range, and premium tyres all in one place. Plus, fast delivery backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. TyreRoom is trusted by tyre businesses across the UK. Open a free TyreRoom wholesale account today. The link is in the description. TyreRoom, built for garages, trusted by traders.